Hey everyone, welcome to Dot Dot Toys. Today we are going to learn our colors and numbers. The best part is we're going to learn our colors and numbers with some tasty M&Ms. But wait, there's more. These M&Ms are then going to be placed all over our homemade chocolate chip cookies. And if you want to have this recipe, watch until the end. The whole recipe will be there just for you. Let's get started. Okay, now we're going to sort the colors. Let's start with red here. Yellow here. Orange, green, blue goes here, and last we're going to do brown. So now let's sort them. Okay, let's start with red. Now let's do the color yellow. Now, let's do orange. Now, let's do green. Now let's do blue. Last, let's do brown. Now let's bake them and see what happens. Now with my bigger cookie, let's see how many different M&Ms we can get on our cookie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 M&Ms. Let's see how it looks cooked. Now that the cookie is baked, we can add more M&Ms. So we added 6. Let's add more. So we have 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have 12 M&Ms. As promised, here is the recipe. The full recipe is in the description box below. Well, that's it for today, boys and girls. Hope you liked learning about numbers and colors. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to Toys. We upload videos every Monday and Thursday just for you. See you later. Bye.